In this video, I am going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Planner in Teams. So this is what the new planner looks like into our Teams. As you can see, this is integrated in our Teams and we have in here the actual activity for our Teams itself. So in order to actually use this, we can head over and then just do what we used to do on the old planner. Click onto this add task and then enter in here the task name. So for example, let's input right here, create a presentation. You can choose the plan where it will be added and as well as the due date. You can click onto the calendar right here and then just choose in here that. Choose in here the priority as well as the progress. And in here, just go over it and as you can see, it's now been added. You can also see your private task and you can also create a new plan using this part. You can just click onto this new plan right here and start with what plan you want to use. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.